And still from Indonesia, where the Ministry of Cooperatives and MSMEs are set to provide relaxations on loan payments for micro, small to medium-sized businesses who have been affected by the deadly earthquake in Cianjur, West Java. The Indonesian Ministry of Cooperatives and MSMEs said that the loan restructuring efforts for the businesses affected by the quake will involve the help of banks and loaning agencies as well. The relaxations on loans will be done after the Cooperatives Ministry, along with the Disaster Management Agency, complete their data on how many MSMEs have been affected by the deadly earthquake in Cianjur. Victims will also be given easier access to microcredit loans to help with their rebuilding efforts.
Begitu datanya sudah masuk, misalnya para pelaku UMKM-nya, nah, lalu kita nanti bicarakan dengan pihak perbankan. Pihak perbankan kita bicarakan juga dengan misalnya koperasi simpan pinjam untuk diberikan restrukturisasi pinjam. Itu sudah dilakukan berkali-kali di setiap ada gempa, jadi nggak sulit. Nah, terus juga mereka harus diberikan akses kepada pembiayaan. Nanti kita akan bicarakan di KUR, misalnya apakah bisa lebih punya KUR yang lebih murah lagi bunga. Saya kira yang dibutuhkan mereka kan itu.
Indonesian Ministry of Public Works and Public Housing, or commonly referred to as PUPR in Indonesia, will build new earthquake resistance housing for victims of the Cianjur earthquake, victims whose homes have been badly damaged or have needed to be relocated. The ministry is also prepared to build a public facility building that was badly damaged or have collapsed by the 5.6 magnitude earthquake. The Minister of Public Works and Public Housing, Basuki Hadimulyono, has opened a construction exhibition in JI Expo, located in Kemayoran, Jakarta. And the minister said his team is in the midst of collecting data on homes that have been damaged by the Cianjur earthquake in West Java. From 2,272 damaged homes, only the ones that are badly damaged or have collapsed will be rebuilt with earthquake resistance standards by the ministry, while the homes that are lightly damaged will receive a stimulant compensation in the amount of 50 million rupiah. And the minister also said that the houses to be rebuilt by the government will be built with earthquake resistance technology called RISA. The RISA technology utilizes a modular design that can be assembled accordingly to the needs of the tenants. And building houses with the RISA technology is said to be quick, according to Basuki, and that the Ministry of Public Works and Housing has prepared the materials and is currently awaiting the land and location decided by the local government.
Kalau yang runtuh, perkantoran, masjid, kantor kodim, jembatan, rumah sakit, itu tugas PU untuk memperbaiki. Nah, kalau rumah itu PU sekarang Dirjen Perumahan saya sudah sejak kemarin di sana untuk melihat kan ada katanya berapa 2.272 rumah rusak. Nah, itu diverifikasi mana yang harus dibangun oleh PU. Karena tadi SOP-nya, kalau yang ringan sampai sedang itu diberi uang sampai 50 juta itu. Tapi kalau yang runtuh dibangun baru oleh PU. Kami sudah punya